Hello there, I am John Harder, aka Coins Eagle. And I am not an expert trader, but I do trade and make profits like an expert. Let me show you how I do it. All right, so I'm just going to share the screen for a wee bit here. All right, and we'll go just to a coin here. This here is well, we'll just go to the the entire length of the coin, right? So here is the market of this particular coin, and of course, every coin has its own ups and downs. Okay. Now, I just want to show you here a little bit how this works. All right. Now, like I said, I'm not an expert. I'm just picking up on this, and I'm just learning how to do this, and how to do this trading. And well, I mean, I've done it for a little bit now. But when I first started, I tell you, I bought some coin. I made tremendous profits, and then I lost most of those profits. Okay, but now let's just say that, see, the objective is to buy low and sell high. That's really, you buy low, sell high. That's how it is. That's how it works. Now, the trick is that you've got to sell before the downtrend starts. Okay, you've got to get out of the market before the tipping point, because after the tipping point, you're in a seller's market and nobody buys. Okay. All right, so now let's see. Well, I shouldn't say nobody buys, because you never know. Somebody brand new might still buy, but that would be by mistake. Okay. Now let's just say that you're buying in at a low of 14 cents here on this coin, and now you're ready to make money. So now you would go and you would sell it right here at about 40 cents. At about 40 cents, that's where you would sell it in order to, so that you sell it before the tipping point. It actually does go up a little bit more. You could sell it at 43, maybe even 45, but the higher you go, the closer to the tipping point you are, the riskier it gets, okay? So you want to sell while it's still safe. All right, so you would sell at probably at 43 cents. Now, if you bought in at 13, and let's say you bought $100 worth at 13 cents, you're selling it at 43 cents. Well, you've just made your $100 worth, you've just made it into $400. Okay, so that's $400 in a very, very short time. Now let's just stay out of the market until we get all the way down here. And now we're going to buy it at 14 cents. We'll buy it at 14 cents. And then we'll go up, we'll ride the market up and sell it at $1.28. Imagine, because now we had $400 instead of the 100 that we started. Let's even just simply say, okay, I'm going to take my 100 out. So now I'm not, I got my money back already. And now I'm just trading with the profits, right? So here you are. You bought $300 worth at 14 cents. And now, and just a couple of weeks later, you're selling the whole dang shebang at $1.28. $300 worth that you bought at 14 cents, now it's $1.28. That is like turning those $300 into what? About 5,000, something like that, 4,000 maybe? I'm not sure. I didn't take the time to figure this out exactly, but that's to say the least, that's good profit, really good profit. All right, so now you're selling at $1.28, and now let's buy back in at 40 cents. Now, of course, this time here, the profits aren't going to be quite as significant. So now we're selling at 76. Okay, and then what may as well just write it, stay out until down here. And now we're going to buy in at 27 cents and then sell up here at, we could sell here at 57. So that's not as significant, but it's pretty good. Then down here, we'll buy again at 17 cents and sell at 22 cents. It's not huge. Okay, so back in at $1 or at 19 cents, and then we'll sell up here at 31 cents, right? And then buy again at 24 cents and sell it right here at, what can we get? Right, we could get, we could get 32 cents at least, okay? So then we'll buy in again here for 30 cents, and then we'll sell it at 51 cents. Buy again at 47 and sell at 58, you know? Here we'll buy at 26, that's good. And just a very short time later, we'll sell it at 36. And then we'll get back in again here at 21 cents. And we could sell right here actually very shortly after and gain a wee bit more there, because we could sell at 31 and then buy in again at 28, right? And so then sell at 41, buy in at 39, and at the end here we're at, what should we say, at 43, but it's still on upward. Who knows where it goes from there? And last, of course, if you know the prices ahead of time, you already know where this is going. You see, as I mentioned earlier, I made tremendous profits right away when I first got into crypto, but then I also lost most of my profits. But now we ain't doing it like that no more, okay? Now we ain't doing it like that. Now I'm part of a group of people. We have access to data that shows us with amazing accuracy what the prices are going to be. And like 3 weeks in advance sometimes less, but sometimes up to 3 weeks in advance, we already know, you know. Of course, there's usually a bit of fine tuning once we get closer, but it's usually very, very close on, okay? So now, if you want to know more about what we're doing exactly, well, let me invite you to a Zoom call tomorrow morning where I'm going to be explaining exactly what we're doing. I'm going to do a slideshow presentation where that shows us what we're doing, okay? So if you're watching this on Facebook, the video or the link is above to join me tomorrow, or in YouTube, the link is below in the description. All right, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow on the Zoom call.